Hi everyone, bună tuturor and welcome back to my channel. Christmas is around the corner, so I thought I would publish a video with Romanian vocabulary and phrases related to Christmas. Hopefully you're going to find it useful. If that's going to be the case, please consider subscribing to my channel and also please leave a comment so that I can continue publishing more. Let's start with Christmas. So how do you say Christmas in Romanian? Maybe you have already heard it before. So Christmas is, try to guess it, Crăciun. Crăciun. Then how do you say Christmas tree? So we said that Christmas is Crăciun. So how do you say Christmas tree? There are actually two ways. You can either say pom de Crăciun, pom de Crăciun, or brad de Crăciun. Brad de Crăciun. What about Santa Claus? Moș Crăciun. Moș Crăciun. Then we have Christmas Eve. Again, Christmas, we said Crăciun. So how do you say Christmas Eve? That's going to be ajunul Crăciunului. Ajunul Crăciunului. How about present? I'm sure everyone wants a present. Present is cadou. Cadou. However, you might want more than one present. So maybe you want different presents, more presents. Presents is cadouri. Cadouri. So one present, cadou. Presents, the plural, cadouri. Moving on to snow. Zăpadă. Zăpadă. And you might want to make a snowman. So snowman is om de zăpadă. Om de zăpadă. Okay, so snow, zăpadă, man, om. Together, om de zăpadă. Celebration. Sărbătoare. Okay, so it's a festive day, it's a sărbătoare. Christmas market. Again, we have Christmas, so Crăciun. How do you say market in Romanian? That's going to be târg, so market, târg de Crăciun. Târg de Crăciun. How about Christmas Day? So Christmas, we said Crăciun, day, zi. So together, Christmas Day is ziua de Crăciun. Ziua de Crăciun. What about Christmas Carol? Very popular in Romania, colind. Colind. If you want to say, by the way, Christmas carols, colinde. Colinde, so with final E. Right, what do we have right now on the screen? So what do you think this is? This is actually a Romanian traditional dessert, which usually Romanians prepare at Christmas and Easter. Maybe you have already heard about it before. It's called Cozonac. Okay, Cozonac. Usually it has different fillings, but the most popular ones are the ones with chocolate and walnuts. I'm already hungry now. Then we have a popular dish, which again is prepared especially at Christmas and Easter. So what do you think this dish is called? So we have here sarmale. Sarmale are cabbage rolls, and inside of the cabbage roll you have a quite heavy filling, so rice with different spices and pork meat. Then polenta and sour cream. So this dish is called sarmale cu mămăligă, mămăligă is polenta, și smântână. Smântână is the sour cream. So, sarmale cu mămăligă și smântână. Okay, once again, sarmale cu mămăligă și smântână. It's delicious. Then, how do you say best wishes? La mulți ani. La mulți ani. Okay, best wishes. By the way, also when it's someone's birthday, you also say la mulți ani. The actual translation of la mulți ani is to many more years. Okay, so if it's someone's birthday as well, you would say la mulți ani. And of course, for Christmas as well. Merry Christmas, Crăciun fericit. Crăciun fericit. Now let's have a look at some phrases. So we've decorated the Christmas tree. Am decorat bradul de Crăciun. Am decorat bradul de Crăciun. If you want, you can also say am decorat pomul de Crăciun. So I mentioned at the beginning of the video that for Christmas tree you can either use bradul de Crăciun or pomul de Crăciun. Then, I love the Christmas season. Iubesc, so I love. Iubesc perioada Crăciunului. Iubesc perioada Crăciunului. I made a delicious cozonac. Am pregătit un cozonac delicios. Okay, so cozonac I mentioned earlier, that is the traditional Romanian dessert. Am pregătit un cozonac delicios. Am pregătit un cozonac delicios. This year, the Christmas market is very beautiful. Anul acesta, so this year, târgul de Crăciun este foarte frumos. So once again, anul acesta, târgul de Crăciun este foarte frumos. Anul acesta, târgul de Crăciun este foarte frumos. I can't wait to open the presents. Abia aștept să deschid cadourile. Everyone is waiting for this moment. So, abia aștept să deschid cadourile. Abia aștept să deschid cadourile. And all stores are closed on Christmas Day. Toate magazinele sunt închise în ziua de Crăciun. Okay? Once again, toate magazinele sunt închise în ziua de Crăciun. Alright, that's for this video. I hope that you've enjoyed it and you've learned lots of different vocabulary and phrases. Thank you very much for watching it and Crăciun fericit!